动词
Verb.
Verb.
快要了快要了
Indicates that something is going to happen.
Indicates that something is going to happen.
秋天快要来了秋天快要来了
Autumn is coming soon.
Autumn is coming soon.
新年快要到了新年快要到了
New Year is coming.
New Year is coming.
天阴了快要下雨了天阴了快要下雨了
It's cloudy and it's going to rain.
It's cloudy and it's going to rain.
奶奶的生日快要到了奶奶的生日快要到了
Grandma's birthday is coming soon.
Grandma's birthday is coming soon.
火车快要开了火车快要开了
The train is about to leave.
The train is about to leave.
飞机快要到了飞机快要到了
The plane is almost here.
The plane is almost here.
地铁快要来了地铁快要来了
The subway is coming soon.
The subway is coming soon.
妈妈快要回来了妈妈快要回来了
Mom is coming back soon.
Mom is coming back soon.
就要了就要了
Can be used if there is an adverbial of time in the sentence.
Can be used if there is an adverbial of time in the sentence.
明天哥哥就要回国了明天哥哥就要回国了
My brother will be returning home tomorrow.
My brother will be returning home tomorrow.
下个星期孩子们就要开学了下个星期孩子们就要开学了
The kids start school next week.
The kids start school next week.
下个月你们就要考试了下个月你们就要考试了
You will have an exam next month.
You will have an exam next month.
下个星期六我就要去上海工作了下个星期六我就要去上海工作了
I will go to Shanghai for work next Saturday.
I will go to Shanghai for work next Saturday.
下个星期一弟弟就要出国念书了下个星期一弟弟就要出国念书了
My younger brother will go abroad to study next Monday.
My younger brother will go abroad to study next Monday.
下个月爸爸就要回来了下个月爸爸就要回来了
Dad will be back next month.
Dad will be back next month.
明天我们就要去北京旅游了明天我们就要去北京旅游了
Tomorrow we will travel to Beijing.
Tomorrow we will travel to Beijing.
还有15分钟飞机就要起飞了还有15分钟飞机就要起飞了
In 15 minutes, the plane is about to take off.
In 15 minutes, the plane is about to take off.
谢谢观看